Hey, what's up, guys? It's me again, Marge Diday. Ayan, welcome back to our channel. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel and tap the notification bell para every time na mag-upload tayo, manonotify kayo, guys. So, well, anyway, for today's video, guys, today is Tuesday, February 11, guys. Ayan po, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng nanonood sa aking mga vlogs, guys. So, I am ready na, guys, kasi pupunta na tayo sa workplace natin at hopefully na continuation na po yung network, guys. Ito po yung outfit ko. Ayan. And yeah, pupunta na tayo, guys, sa ating workplace, trabahuan. And guys, if you see, guys, have you noticed, guys, our house, we don't have yet alcuba or ceiling, guys, you know. So ayan po. Ganito po yung tsura ng aming bahay sa ibabaw, yung roof namin, and we don't have yet ceiling. So mahaba na yung hair natin, guys. So maybe soon, pag umabot na ng dito, na tayo, mapapastraight na tayo, guys. So, ayan po, bagong ligo tayo. Ayan. Naglagay tayo ng moisturizer kasi medyo nangitim ako, guys, kasi you know that I'm already black, guys, but I'm negrita now because how many days that I've been driving motorbike and I didn't wear a jacket. So, ayan po. Pero okay lang yan kasi soon na okay na tayo, mahilo na, okay na yung bahay natin. Dito lang tayo sa loob, hindi tayo aalis. Pag umaalis yung mga importante lang, ganon. So, ayan po. I'm ready na, guys. Nagantay na lang ako ng aking pinsan kasi ginamit yung motorbike natin. Nanghiram siya kasi kinuha si Bunbun. So yeah. Well, anyway, magli-lipstick pala tayo, guys. Yan, meron tayong lipstick. Ayan, guys. So, ayan po. So, pupunta na tayo ngayon. Maganda po yung weather natin today, guys. I-flip ko po yun, guys. Tingnan nyo naman yung mingming natin, guys. So, well, anyway, tingnan natin yung ating weather. Today is very sunny. Thank you, Lord God. Ayan, ang ganda ng panahon today, guys. So, at least, guys, di ba? Ilang days din na umuulan. So thank you, Lord, kasi kawawa naman yung mga palay natin. Yung mga palay. Yan. And this weekend, guys, I should burn that mess right there or mga leaves, you know. So ayan po. Ayan. Shout out sa Barangay Ambacon kasi meron silang tagalinis, gilid-gilid. Yan. Always talaga yan ang sipag nila, guys, as in. Thank you to our madam. Yung pasalubong from McDo. Thank you so much. So yummy.
Thank you, Mommy.
Thank you, Mommy. Mama. So anyway, ang sarap nito. With coffee. Hamburger from McDo. Don't bash me, guys, even it's sunny day, but I'm still drinking coffee. Because we love coffee. Ipang 3 cups na rin ako. 3 sticks. Pang adlaw. Grabe no? Okay na ko. Nabalik na po puti. Normal yung kinabuhing kape.
Yeah, elected.
Baka naman may baka naman mag-sponsor. 500 pesos. Nakasala, guys. Look, guys, how much is it, guys? Tada! Ay, okay na, day. Kaya ra. 146. Pero, guys, total of 185, guys. Temporary. So, you know what, guys? Charlotte, she broke the door, the lock. Guys, sa face, guys. She broke the lock set door. O, diba? Bitaw, accident lang, guys, oy. It's time na gajod naman yun. Ayan, diba?
Sige, order naman ko atong bangko, gay.
Nangadyo na sa jagbahin, guys. Oh, guys, look. This is what happened when Charlotte, she locked the door and then it suddenly pop out the... Ayan, guys. So, we couldn't lock this one. So, we need to put temporary lock. So, that's why we bought those material, guys. This is temporary lock, guys. Ayan.
Nanay vlog, di malin.
Ayan. Ayos, Sorry guys, ayan na po siya guys. Thank you. Ayan. Ayan. Checho, yun dahil mo mag-ilak dahil mo mo sodan na.
Open.
Lang Charlotte guys, she locked the door guys.
Guys, mag-ikas yung gubain ni Kate. Ayun na, murag sayo na.
Ay, nalaway ba dyan? We are going to buy our food with Charlotte guys. So, ayan po ang nighttime here in Hinunangan. And you know what guys, I need to buy a chair for our toilet guys because I'm used to it na in my tita's house na mag-sit down while taking shower. So, we're going to DIY first before we buy our foodie. This is DIY guys. Ayan. Dito tayo sa DIY. Just visit here guys. Ayan. It's only 95 pesos. Hoy, lagi. Ayan, 95 pesos guys. Guys, look the moon here. Just like you. Charis. And shine. Hi! And here we go. This is DIY. And look, in Hinunangan. Ayan na, mauna niyo guys. This is Hinunangan Center, Poblacion guys, in nighttime. In the corner, there's a siomai. Ay, ani. Ayan guys, in the corner. I'll show you guys which area most foreigner drinking a, how do you call that guy? Alcohol or beer. Right there guys. This one. Ayan, dito. Ayan. Did you see that? This one guys, Keys. Ayan. Doon kami palagi guys sa Exco. Every Saturday. Ayan. And we're going to buy in Mamay Ito's Lumi House right here. This is how it's looking when it's nighttime. Grocery right there, store. And this is how it's looking, the Lumi store. So ayan guys, ito po yung mga ito po yung mga nila. Ang tawag nito? I-flash? Ito po yung tawag nito dahil. Ito po yung menu nila. Ayan guys, ito po yung menu nila. Ayan. They have beef Paris 90 pesos, Lumi 45, and then 50 for Lumi overload. Lumi special 80. Lumi special jumbo magkano 150. Then soup with rice 80 pesos. Meron din silang burger 45 then 80 pesos. It's a Filipino burger ha. Don't expect na ano pa. We have also silog meal guys. Ayan, di ba? Silog meals. Silog meals. And this is near the corner guys. If you are here in Hinunangan, just close to corner in Jollis. And this is how it's looking there inside. It's cozy. Bamboo, you know. And that's corner, other corner. So well guys, so we ordered Lumi overload with Charlotte.
Overload sa pagmamahal.
Overload with love daw. So ayan, we're just waiting for our order guys. So yeah, if you're still watching until here, please give me thumbs up. Follow Charlotte, that's her TikTok guys. Look, at Charl748. Ayan po. And that's her commission. Have you seen it? See? That's her commission guys. Commission. So yeah, that's Charlotte. You can message her through TikTok. Disclaimer, it's not sponsored. Thank you. Ano po guys? Look at the moon guys. Over there, right there, the moon. And this is the corner in Hinunangan, Southern Leyte. And right there again. So while we are waiting, it's a little bit traffic. So let's go. And that's the restaurant above guys. Abada. More restaurant right there. Mr. DIY. And Mr. Moon. And GNF right there guys. And Tia Pasita. Tia Pasita Hotel.
Tia Pasita Hotel, the famous hotel.
Uy, dili famous uy. And bar right there. Oh, who loves bar? I know foreign they love bar guys. Bar, bar, bar. And here we go. We are right here. Guys, let's have dinner with Charlotte. Ayan, let's eat.
Guol-guol.
So this is our food guys. Lumi overload. So let's dig in. busog si Diday. Ayan, thank you so much for watching. See you in my next vlog, guys. Ingat, amping, take care. God bless you.